Hey, you know what I have here? This little keychain is going to make me a fortune this year, and this is how. What we have here is the little Chewbacca Star Wars Lego keychain. And I didn't just get one keychain, I got 10. And do you want to know why I got 10 keychains? Selling Legos on Amazon FBA is extremely profitable. But you can't sell Legos unless you are ungated. Now, what does ungated mean? See, for a lot of their products, Amazon doesn't care what you sell or who you sell it to. So they automatically ungate you, so you are able to sell whatever you want. But for some more sensitive brands like Lego, you're required to be ungated. They are not just going to allow anybody to sell it. So if you want to sell Legos, you actually have to prove to Amazon that you bought your Legos from an authorized manufacturer. Now, this usually involves a lot of drama because a lot of people don't know how to ungate themselves. They end up spending a fortune paying these gurus that they are selling their proven ways to get ungated. Well, I'm going to tell you right now for free how to get ungated on Lego. Oh, wait! Not only this will get you ungated on Lego, it will also get you ungated with Star Wars, and it will also get you ungated with Disney. So one product will get you ungated with 3 brands. You ready? Step 1, go to lego.com and buy from them directly. But you can't buy any product from lego.com. You have to buy an exact product from lego.com that will match an exact product on amazon.com. Let me show you exactly what to buy. So you're gonna buy exactly this ASIN number that corresponds to this Chewbacca keychain. Why? Because once you go to lego.com, you will find exactly the same. Step number 2, don't buy one. You have to buy at least 10 of these items. Why 10? Amazon requires a minimum of 10 of the same ASIN to prove that you are buying from a manufacturer and to ungate you in that brand or category. Oh wait, before you actually buy the product, don't forget to sign up for lego.com's VIP program, because once you do, they will give you back 5% on every single purchase that you make. They don't give it to you back in cash, but they give it to you back in Lego points, which you can actually use next time you purchase from. Also, when you buy, make sure that you're shipping directly to the same address that you have on file with Amazon on your Amazon Seller Center. So the invoice needs to say 10 units of that ASIN, and they need to be sent to your address. Are you following so far? Okay, good. Now you're gonna have to be patient. Lego usually takes anywhere from 3 to 7 business days to ship the item to you. But the good news is that you don't actually need to wait for the item to arrive to your house. Lego will take about 2 to 3 business days to actually send you an invoice over email. Once you get the invoice, this is very important. Go to any photo editor. I personally use Snagit. And you're going to have to remove the part that says order. Why do you need to remove that? Because Amazon will reject it unless you blank it out. All right, once you've done that, submit it to Amazon exactly this way. You're gonna submit it and you're gonna put a little note that says, this corresponds directly to this ASIN number. That way there is no room for mistakes on their end. Now, they may or may not ask for photos of your items. If they do, then you'll just wait 2 or 3 more days, get the items in your house, and then you'll submit those. But in my particular case, they did not ask for any pictures. Amazon usually will take 24 to 72 hours to respond back to you and either reject you or approve you. If they approve you, congratulations, now you are ungated in the Lego brand. And this is what you do next. Wait! Before I go on and show you this valuable information, if you like what you've seen so far, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's really gonna help out the channel a lot, and I appreciate it.
Like the video, subscribe to the channel.
Okay, let's move on. You know what's so great about this little guy? This little guy is not only Lego, it's also Disney, and it's also Star Wars. That means that you can get Ungated in those 3 brands. And here's how. Usually it takes a while to research exactly what ASIN numbers to submit, but I'm gonna give those to you right now. You're gonna grab these 2 ASIN numbers, one for Disney and one for Star Wars, and you're gonna submit those to Amazon to get Ungated in the Star Wars and the Disney brand. And again, same process. You're gonna say, this invoice relates to this ASIN number in the description or explanation. And if you want my guess, you're gonna get Ungated in those 2 categories too. But the one that we really care about is Lego, because Lego is going to make you a small fortune once you're Ungated. And I'll tell you exactly my strategy for this year. I actually have to make an entire video out of it because it's so extensive. I can't cover it in this one video. That's going to be my next video, so make sure to subscribe. I will probably be dropping it in the next week or so.
and it will blow your mind.
If you're not reselling Legos yet, this is exactly what you should be focusing on, especially at this time of the year. If you want free trials and discounts on all the Amazon tools that I use for my Amazon FBA business, they're in my description. So just go in there, look for Amazon FBA tools, and you'll see a bunch of discounts and free trials for you. Go take advantage. I can't wait to show you my Lego 2022 strategy on my next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, I'll see you later. And continue making that Amazon FBA money.